Hey, I'm Anthony. I'm the owner of Five Star Painting and Top Rated Gutters, and I'd like to give you a tour of the office. Come on. So we actually have our crew of the month. We pick one crew every month, and we display them. They crews that exemplify our values and do great work and get great customer reviews. We like to show them off every month. We also have our employee of the month. See, we have a little cabinet display there. We like to show off the cabinetry work that we do. Come right on this way. You can see our Gen Z's hard at work. This is our code of values. We do post our code of values, and we actually go over them when any time we have a meeting with 3 or more people. And this is our receptionist area. We have multiple office spaces for our team. This is my office. I'll show you the downstairs as well. So this is really fun. One of our main code of values is having fun in the process. So this wall is pictures that we have taken with our team members from over the years of doing exactly that, having fun in the process. We went to Cedar Point one year. We've been on company cruises and just done a lot of very fun team building stuff. So this is Alexander's office. He is our sales leader. This is our downstairs break room where we actually have breakfast before our meeting every week. And this is special to me. This is a place that I've wanted to have for a lot of our people for a very long time. And we're really proud of it. These are just basically a space for every estimator and every project manager. That way they have their very own space to work in when they come to the office. And follow me, I'll show you our Top Rated Gutters office. This is Devin, our general manager at Top Rated Gutters, working hard. And finally, we have one more, what we would call a training room. We do a lot of sales training. We do a lot of project management training, painting training, going over all the newest trends, new products, all that kind of stuff. We do tons of training right here in this room. So thanks for joining us on our office tour. This has been a long time coming, and we're super proud of this building, and we're just very grateful to our customers and everybody that's helped us get here, and we're just super happy to be here, and we're super happy to keep serving the community and keep doing great paint jobs for you.